الله أكبر الله أكبر الله أكبر. This is Byt Al Firdous Islamic English channel. I am your speaker and presenter, Dr.Taj Firdousi. Assalamu alaikum rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My dear brothers and sisters in Islam, I am very much pleased to say that we are in the process of getting more and more information, practical workshop on Adhan. Today's topic is the next Adhan we are going to look into. Adhan, as I said, has to be based on the voice and that tone and the tune. That is the way that the sound goes up and down. It's on the major scales or the minor scales, and the pitch. And the pitch of your voice goes to C or C sharp or D sharp, E or F sharp. It depends, because you have to decide, you have to see. First of all, you check, for example, if your voice is only this much, because the octave of this is if your voice can't reach more than then you have to take up this as the base. Wherever you go, whatever you go, up to that octaves, you can easily move. You can easily modulate your voice in that range of whatever that's given. If you go up more than this, the pitch, it will get a distortion. It will break up and you can't carry on. It will break here itself. It will get stuck, or you will be out of the notes. So you have to carry the pitch. So what do you have to do for that one? If your bass, your pitch is only Allah, go to the base of octave Allah. Then you have to say this one for about 15 minutes morning and 15 minutes or half an hour in the evening, like Allah, 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 Allah. You have to do this practice and stretch your voice as long as you can, not with the short breaths. Don't say Allah, Allah. No, you should try and you should see how many seconds you go. For example, Allah, 7 seconds. Increase it next time to 8 or 9 or 10. See. Breathe in. Inhale. Allah. 10. That's good. 10. But you see that my voice was slightly modulating. Means it should not be there. It should be constant. Like it should be constant, not it's wrong. So practice this right now, today. Go and start with this. Allah. Practice this Allah, low pitch for 15 minutes. Go to the high pitch, same thing. Allah, Allah. Practice this. Only with this you can say how beautiful you can go from here. Allah, Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar, Allah, Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar, See, low pitch, low. I broke my voice in two places, but you should not. Continue this one without any break. It should continue. It takes a long time. You have to do this. First of all, you practice this bass and Allah. This is the bass. Allah. Now try with me on this bass. Allah. Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar. Now recite along with Adhan.
Allah, Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar. Ashhadu an la ilaha illallah. أشهد أن لا إله إلا الله. أشهد أن محمدًا رسول الله. أشهد أن محمدًا رسول الله. حي على الصلاة. حي على الصلاة. حي على الفلاح. حي على الفلاح.